Hi, I'm Amr from INA17. I will show you how Mvicall can change the phone call trend. Check it out.
The existing voice call interface has not been changed in over 2 decades. The caller cannot see the receiver status, and the receiver cannot see directly the cause of call. Mvicall is a new solution to make your phone call more fun and exciting. The caller will see your receiver status. The caller's video will appear on receiver phone, replacing receiver ringtone.
Honey, pick up my phone please. Honey, pick up my phone please. Honey, pick up my phone please.
Furthermore, Mvicall has very cool features like Live Explore, where you can see other Mvicalls use their newest video ringtone. You can like the video if you like it, or you can report the video if you find an inappropriate video ringtone. Marketplace, where you can select the premium video ringtone from famous artist and content creator. And there's also a reward and loyalty program for our loyal user with special prizes.
Let's create trend using new technology.
Mvicall, make your call experience more exciting.
Let's make a call, bro.
Okay. Hi, pick up my phone or I'll be back. Hi, pick up my phone or I'll be back. Hi, pick up my phone or I'll be back. Hi, pick up my phone, please.